This is a part of the business that's always been close to me. I started as an artist, I still consider myself an artist, and so developing more artful sculptural pieces around light as a medium is really important to me. The work we do day to day with Fire Firm is focused on commercial spaces, hospitality, restaurants. We try and augment a space, change a space, contribute to a space. And we use our experience and expertise and facilities to fabricate that here in the United States.
I've been part of this project since the inception of it. So the idea of this project was to help our entrepreneurs in Madison. That was the catalyst for how we came to the Spark building. The first floor is going to be our public space, and then the second, third, and fourth floors is going to be Starting Block Madison that are all young entrepreneurs and established entrepreneurs.
We had to come up with a concept and compete against other people with concepts. It gave us an opportunity to be entirely free.
One of the reasons also we looked at Adam, he is an entrepreneur. He is actually living that life that we're hoping to help.
There are some ideas that I tried to infuse subtly into the structure. The idea that you have a spark, a good idea, a good creative entrepreneurial idea will suddenly take fire. The original concept was a sphere that would be infinitely reflective inside and externally. And I had imbued it with a lot of meaning that I thought was appropriate to this concept for the Spark building. But as it went through different committees, people saw different things in the piece and enlisted us to come up with some other concepts as well. It created a new opportunity that, particularly in retrospect as we've worked through the piece, I really relish actually. If I had followed that original plan, we would have done something that we knew how to do, but we wouldn't have learned something, I don't think, particularly fresh and engaging and new. A new technology that we were just beginning to take part of is 3D printing. And we were going to take it to a level that we haven't really seen. We wanted to make a big piece, 8 feet tall. The person who brought the first 3D piece to my attention was my 14-year-old son, Day. It was from that piece that we realized that this might be possible.
When I was at my 3D printing camp, I saw this one design in the trash can someone had left. I picked it up and thought it was a pretty cool design, and I asked if I could take this with me to show my dad. They said it was a failed idea.
All the challenges that we faced in actually taking that small piece into a big piece involved a lot of tweaking with the mechanisms of the printers, and that wholeheartedly falls to Day, who solved those problems.
I mostly liked building these printers, getting them to work as efficiently as possible.
We worked into the evenings. We were printing 24 hours a day.
You had to print it to see if it worked. So there was a circle of designing something and printing it, going back and drawing it up again.
Starting from scratch would take about 300 hours of printing. Now we had a lot of errors, so we've probably put 1,000 hours of printing time into it.
We had never put it together completely. I had no idea how the light would react with it. When I saw them pulling out the cardboard, lights just started getting brighter as more cardboard fell. It looks really spectacular. I was really amazed at how it turned out.
That's a rare opportunity to see what your kids can do, to work with them so closely, to give them an opportunity to work on a stage like this. That was the most significant part of this project. Working with American Family Insurance has been very rewarding. I really want to say thank you because it's allowed me this opportunity to grow, to explore new things that I wouldn't have. And that's part of being an artist, is to push yourself to accomplish things that may not have been done before. The role of a patron who allows that to happen and trusts in it also, and trusts in your ability to achieve it, is certainly encapsulated in how they supported us in this process. They've got something that they can stand by and are really proud of, and I'm appreciative of my experience with them and them supporting me in this exploration as well.